What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hollywood, and I am here in Poland at Fair Play Dance Academy. I'm about to teach you Missy Elliott's WTF. It's about to go down. All right.
I'm like, make a new track, make them fall on they crack. Give them a slap appetizer and snack up so fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Yeah, when I rap, that be all on my jack. Boys wanna tap on this pussy cat. Got a new idea, let me switch it. Man, I'm so futuristic. Big lips and big hips. Body be thick like a bitch with them different ripping shit. Microphone gripping it, getting these Benjamins, new car whipping it. I'm so
So first we want to step on our right foot as we're rotating our right hand towards our back. Right, to then lift that right foot, hit back, take both hands, hit back, again, and up. Step, hit, and hit. Step back on your right, make an X, right, and down. So again, you're going, all right. Hit back, hit, up, step, plie, right, hit, X, out. Again, 6, 7, 8, you're going right, left, back, up, step, and hit, down. From here, you want to hit, and clap, step, and you want to make a circle round with your right hand. So you're going hit, step, clap, and right, to then hit right, left, hit, step on your right, twice, and hit. So again, let's go from the top. 6, 7, 8, you're going right, left, back, and hit, and up, step, hit, right, left, X, out, and down, plie, step, hop, right, and hit, to then hit right, left, back, hit, step on your right twice, and down. Let's take that from the top. 6, 7, 8, you're going right, back, up, step, and hop, X, and T, back, right. All right, do you want to try the music? Bam, let's do that. Here we go.
That's how they do where we from.
5,
You know it don't start
6,
till 1.
5, 6,
That's how they do where they
7,
from.
8.
I'm like, make a new track, make them fall on they crack. Give them a slap appetizer and snack up so fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Yeah, when the
All right, so let's try that from the second part. So you're going chest out, hit back, round, step on your right, extend those hands out, come back out, to then wiggle your fingers on your right, and then clap left. So again, this is chest, back, all, ha. Let's do that again because I messed that up. 6, 7, 8, you're going chest, back, round, hit, right, clap. From there, you want to step on your right and then hit back, and slap and up. So you're going right, left, and ka, and up, to then go on your right, and then do that again. 6, 7, 8, you're going ha, and ka, to then step again on your right, hit, Again, 6, 7, 8. Boom, and again, a hit, and then followed by the again, which is your smooth on your right, and then come back around, and you're hitting ga, hit. So this is out, hit, hit. So again, you're stepping on your right, right, left, and slap, and a hit, hit, ba, 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 to then go, step, right, left. All right, so let's try that again. 6, 7, 8, you're going. Ha, got a new idea. Let me, hit, hit, ba, right, left. All right, so let's try that with music.
So fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Yeah, when I rap that beat all on my jack. Boys wanna tap on this pussycat. Got a new idea, let me switch it. Man, I'm so futuristic. Big lips and big hips. Body be thick like a mess with them different ripper shit. Microphone.
All right, so now that we have the first 2 parts, let me go on and teach you the last part, and we're almost there. So you're going step right, left, continue, and hit, and hit. So you're going ba, ba, up, step back on your right, right, left, and up, to then switch and down, up. So again, you're going ba, ba, up, right, left, and up, left and down, up, step back on your left, and make a car, left, right, right. So this is 6, 7, 8, and a wah, right, left, switch, down, left, car. There we go. You have all 3 steps. Let's mesh that all together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going right, left, back, and out, and hit, side, down, and clap, T, back, right, left, chest, back, roll, in a hit, wiggle, snap, back, and hit, and right, left, in a hit, up, right, left, back, down, left, T. Let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going right, left, back, open, hit, and right, and down, and roll, right, left, hit, back, right, hit, chest, back, roll, step, and clap, and hit, right, left, and hit, left, and left, T. There we go. So let's put it all together. Just repeat as many times as you can. Bam.
A bunch of girls do it and the shit look fun. That's how they do it where we from. You know it don't start till
Here we go. 5, 6.
That's how they do it where they from. I'm like, make a new track, make them fall on they crack. Give them a slap, appetizer, and snack. I'm so fat in the back, make the boys all collapse. Yeah, when I rap, that be all on my jack. Boys wanna tap on this pussycat. Got a new idea, let me switch it. Man, I'm so futuristic. Big lips and big hips. Body be thick like a bitch with them different ripper shit. Microphone gripping it, getting these Benjamins. New car whipping it. I'm so far ahead of y'all.
There we go. Now we have that.
I don't care none of y'all.
Repeat.
You best to go rewrite your ball.
All right, wasn't that a high intense energy routine? So you need now a few friends, have a little sleepover, and just, look at the video and do it all with your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Fair Play Dance Academy, Poland. It's amazing to be here. You guys are amazing. Check it out.